In the era of manufacturing 4.0, artificial intelligence is reshaping production lines. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to enhance operational efficiency. Predictive maintenance powered by AI minimizes downtime and reduces costs. Quality control reaches new heights with real-time AI-enabled inspections. Machine learning algorithms optimize production processes with precision. The integration of AI in manufacturing heralds a new era of productivity. In smart factories, AI orchestrates complex operations seamlessly. Workers collaborate with intelligent machines to achieve unparalleled results. AI-driven automation streamlines workflows and boosts output. The synergy between humans and AI creates a harmonious production ecosystem. Manufacturing 4.0 signifies a paradigm shift towards intelligent and adaptive systems. As AI continues to evolve, the future of production lines looks promising. Embrace the AI revolution in manufacturing for a competitive edge. Stay tuned for more insights on how AI is revolutionizing industrial processes. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech trends.